make data-driven decisions in customer service. Browse the Reports section to check data related to ticket satisfaction, response time, and many more. In the Last 7 Days section, you'll see a ticket summary for the last 7 days. In the New Ticket section, check the number of tickets you received each day and the ticket sources. Take a look at the new ticket heat map to see at what time of the day you receive more tickets than usual. The Ticket Satisfaction Report shows you the summary of feedback you received and also compares your agent's performance. Take a look at the First Response Time Report to discover how long it takes for agents to respond to a ticket. There are 2 metrics here: how much time you need to assign a ticket to an agent, and how much time the agent needs to send a response. The last section is the Solved and Closed Report. Compare how many tickets your agent solved and how many they closed. Filter to narrow down the results for any report. Changing filters gives you many opportunities to collect and analyze more contextual data.